Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla. Alright everybody, you don't know who this already, the Skilla. Something happened in a this video will make me have to really bring it to all of my viewers. You see me I say? First of all, I have to say respect to you my viewers, you know. Good morning, good night, good afternoon. Anywhere in the world on the day. Big up. Now, something missing out of the church. Then find out who do it. And that's the reason why I bring it to you is that they find out who do it. And this happened. Listen folks, you don't know we can't really bring certain things out, you know. So you can listen. You know me? And I'm not really show you certain bad things. You see, but you will see the rest. Observe.
Lift it up! Lift up there! Blood! Put it! You can't too short. Yeah, man. Take it from there. You can't too short. Yeah, man. No time, me put time. Put up my head now. Drop my head. Drop my head. Put up my head. Hold your stuff like. Up my head. I'm proud of it.
Well, the greatest thing about it, why I make me bring this to you, is because of all things, no jungle justice law no come out. If you don't understand what I mean by jungle justice law, I mean to say that the people them take bitterness and anger and murder the man just because he is a thief. You know, say a whole heap of that happen through the world. Where they say, yo thief! And they say everybody around come with knife and all these things. Yeah, no. That's why I really respect this clip what happened. You see what I say? Yeah, I have to respect the community. You see me? No, me look at it and I say maybe it's because of the police. No, I say police. Maybe it's because of the church. Yeah, them say them claims to say that's where you take from. You understand me? I say so. I say maybe it's a church community or something. Find him, but at the same time, you know, they give him a little switching also. Boots him for making lift the fridge, but in strong. I'm really strong, yo. Oh boy, man, I tell you, it's strong, yo. You see it? Alright, now, anyways, apart from that, if you don't need to find a way to contact me, always read the links below the video. You know, I know a lot of people don't like reading. You see what I say? A lot of people like to read one line and that's it, you know, and that's a big problem. You see what I say? And if you're new to my channel, yeah, you need to click the subscribe button for stay up to date in what I go on next and next and next for the Dancehall Skilla channel. You get what I mean? Yes, family friendly channel, clean. Try to keep it clean as always. You understand? That's all we do our thing, as I say. And I've made sure I've gotten this thing new and improved for better quality for you, my viewers. So I want to give a whole heap of respect and big up to you, my viewers out there. You see me I say? A lot of your viewers. You see me I say? Andy Dread, big up yourself. You do the thing, girl. So me I say Andrea, you too. Yeah, and we have a whole lot more. Lorenzo, yeah, you know the thing, girl. Alright, as always, stay tuned. You don't know. The next is up and the next is up and the next is up. Let me know what you think about this video also. You see it? My name is Skilla, and that there was Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.